The kidneys are the body's filters, and they are responsible for cleaning the blood of toxins, transforming waste into urine, keeping electrolytes and the water content of the body constant, as well as secreting a number of essential hormones. They are incredibly efficient and specialized organs, and they are essential when it comes to sustaining life. Kidney problems can be debilitating, devastating, and potentially even life-threatening because when your kidneys aren't working properly, harmful toxins and excess fluid begin building up in your body. Those can contribute to many serious conditions, including kidney failure. Of course, the sooner you notice that something is wrong, then the more likely you are to seek medical attention on time. There is nothing more empowering than knowledge, which is why we've compiled a list of signs which indicate that your kidneys could be in danger. By the way, if you're passionate about learning and discovering, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. One of the first signs of kidney failure disease is that you're feeling more tired, have less energy, or are having trouble concentrating. A decrease in kidney function will result in a buildup of various impurities in the blood, which often makes people feel a lot worse than usual. Anemia is another complication of kidney disease, which can also cause general weakness and fatigue. Another sign is difficulty falling or staying asleep. When your kidneys aren't filtering properly, toxins stay in your bloodstream instead of being taken out of the body through urination. This can cause discomfort and restlessness, which in turn affects your sleep. People with chronic kidney disease also struggle with sleep apnea, a condition where your breathing will stop for several seconds or a couple of minutes whilst you sleep. This can also seriously impact your sleep quality. If you feel the need to urinate more often and there is barely any urine, and especially if this happens at night, then it could be a sign of kidney disease. Essentially, when your kidneys are damaged, then the filtering process isn't working properly either, which usually results in an increased urge to urinate, even if nothing is there. Of course, it is important to keep in mind that this could be a symptom of other problems, such as urinary tract infection. Irritated skin is another sign. Our kidneys don't only remove toxins from our body, but they also produce red blood cells, keep our bones strong, and ensure that we have enough minerals and nutrients in our blood. Dry and itchy skin is a symptom of mineral and nutrient deficiencies, which is something that is associated with advanced kidney disease when our body can no longer keep the compounds in our blood balanced. If blood begins appearing in your urine, this is a particularly telltale sign. Healthy kidneys will filter your blood cells in order to separate and extract the toxins and turn them into urine. A kidney which is damaged or is failing, however, won't filter as effectively, and some blood cells will therefore leak into the urine which your kidneys produce. Whilst this is a symptom of kidney disease, blood in your urine can also indicate tumors, kidney stones, or infection. When there are excessive amounts of protein in your urine will appear foamy. If these bubbles take several flushes to go away, then it could be an indication that your kidneys aren't filtering your blood as they should be, because protein is leaking into your urine when it should be staying in your body. Puffy eyes are typically caused by exhaustion and fatigue, but if you're experiencing persistent puffiness around your eyes even with adequate sleep and skincare, then it could be an early sign of kidney damage. This is because your kidneys' filters are compromised and large amounts of protein which your body actually needs are leaking into your urine. Puffiness around your eyes can be an indication that this is happening. A loss of appetite is a general symptom which can be connected to countless conditions, but if it occurs in conjunction with other and more obvious symptoms, then it could be due to kidney disease. When the levels of toxins and impurities in your blood rise significantly due to decreased kidney function, then you won't feel as hungry as you usually would. High blood pressure is another possible symptom because our kidneys and circulatory system work closely together to ensure that we remain healthy. If your blood vessels become damaged, then the nephrons in our kidneys, which are responsible for filtering blood, won't receive enough oxygen and nutrients to continue functioning. This is why high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney failure. Our kidneys are also responsible for regulating our body's water content. When they are damaged, however, the fluid levels in our body can begin to build up because our kidneys are no longer flushing them out. This can lead to sodium retention, which in turn causes swelling in your feet, ankles and hands. Of course, swelling in the extremities of your body can be a sign of a heart condition, liver disease or vein problems in your legs. Ultimately, the only way to be certain that you have kidney disease is to be medically tested and diagnosed. If you are at risk of kidney disease due to family history, age or high blood pressure, then it is essential that you are checked annually. Even if you're not at risk, but you notice you have one or a combination of these signs that we have described, then it is important that you report any symptoms you're experiencing to your healthcare practitioner. If you enjoyed this exploration, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for even more fascinating insights.